Soldier crabs, particularly the dark blue ones, are a favourite of all the shorebirds. Because the crabs are so abundant, sometimes the birds need to try them first to see if they are small enough to go down. Before migration, the soldier crabs are in abundance. Eastern curlews, in a hurry to put on weight, will feast on these on the dropping tide, and once the tide is low enough, switch to hunting down the nippers. The smaller birds with larger eyes chase along the surface, picking them off. The longer-billed birds can dig them up once they bury during the low tide cycle.